Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. The driver door module fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will guys demonstrate on that generation Dodge Ram right here. What we need to do, we need to open the hood. Once you guys pop the hood open your hood, on the driver's side you see that's your car battery. Right in front of it you have that cover here. It has two notches on the front, press them in. If you pull it, it will open, and on the inside is the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. Here what we need to check for the driver door module, guys, we need to check one fuse. By the way, we always recommend to keep some spare fuses. You have all kind of different fuses that could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. It happened to us. We needed a replacement fuse, couldn't get one, and we were stuck because of that, guys. Now for the driver door module, the fuse that you need to check is known as fuse number 24. We're talking about this fuse right here. That's the one that you need to check. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.